Work done in isothermal irreversible expansion of a gas. Let the initial pressure of the ideal gas contained in the cylinder with the piston at a temperature T be P1 and the volume V1. When the piston is stationary, the pressure P1 of the gas is equal to the external pressure P dash. That means when both the pressures are equal, the piston is stationary. Now, since the expansion under consideration is irreversible, the external pressure P dash is dropped instantaneously from P dash to a final pressure P2. Keeping the temperature constant at T, the work done by the system is now against the pressure P2 and is given by, since the pressure is dropped and it is a reversible reaction, work done in an irreversible reaction can be represented as equal to minus P2 between the integral limit V1 to V2 of dV. That is, W irreversible is equal to minus P2 into V2 minus V1. It is to be noted that the work done in the isothermal irreversible expansion of a gas is always smaller than the work done in the isothermal reversible expansion of a gas. Fill in the blank question. This implies that the work done by the system is not a state function and the work is related to the manner in which the process is carried out rather than to the initial and the final state of the system in the case of an irreversible work done by the system. Now, next one is graphically how can you prove it? Difference between reversible and irreversible work done, graphical representation. Therefore, from the graph, first I'll explain, then it goes for the derivation of the equations and the other explanation. See, first we are going to consider a reversible work. In this reversible work, consider the point A. At that point, P1 and V1 are the pressure and the volume initial state. The second is that second point B, the final pressure and final volume. And this line indicates the intermediate steps between A and B. And let us plot a graph between pressure and the volume is the graph. Now we are going to consider a small point E, from where consider it as the pressure P, and a small point F, that means an infinitesimal change we are going to consider. An infinitesimal change of this dark area, shaded area. That means this for an infinitesimal change, this dark shaded area, that is E, F, G, H, that area will be equal to that work done. Assuming that in order to find out the total work done, that means from A, B, C, D, you have to integrate that differential equation between the limit. That is what we are going to do. In that case, the area in the integrated value will be equal to the area of A, B, C, D. That means this shaded area will be the work done by this reversible reaction. From the graph we can find out this is the area, this area from A, B, C, D. Because it is reversible, we are considering a small change in the volume and we are assessing the area so that the total work done. Now consider an irreversible work. In an irreversible work, we are starting with the P1 and V1 at the point A and reaching at B, P2, V2, but this P2 means decrease in pressure. That means the pressure is dropped and it is an irreversible reaction. Therefore, consider the area of the square A dash, B, C, D, this shaded area. That will be the work done by the irreversible reaction. Look at the two rectangles. In this area is more compared to this one, B. That means the second picture. Therefore, it is clearly pointed out that for an irreversible work is the work done is more than the irreversible work done by the system. From the graph itself it is clear. Now let us discuss how to explain. In the isothermal reversible expansion of a gas, the expansion is carried out infinitesimally small steps. The reversible work done in the process can be understood graphically as follows. If the gas expands reversibly from the initial state P1 V1 to P2 V2, the final state, then the reversible work done in the process is given by W reversible is equal to minus P dV integrate between the limit V1 to V2. Therefore, which is equal to, we already know that minus 2.303 RT log to the base 10 P1 by P2. Now let us represent the initial state P1 and V1 of the gas at the point A and its final state P2 V2 by the point B on the pressure volume diagram. That is the reversible work is explaining. The intermediate changes of the process are represented by the different points on the line AB, which is therefore represents the whole operation. At any point such as E, during this change, the pressure of the gas, let it be is equal to P, and let its volume is increases by an infinitesimal amount dV. That is the volume considered, this is the dV considered, to reach the point F, which is infinitesimally close to E. The black strip EFGH may be regarded as the rectangle area PdV, but minus PdV is the amount of the work done by the gas during the small expansion dV. Thus, the work done by the gas is minus PdV is represented by the area of the black strip. That means this much of area, EFGH is a small consideration. In that area is considered which is equal to minus PdV. But in order to calculate the total work done, the total work done by the gas moving from A to B is clearly equal to the sum of the areas of all such strips. That is equal to the shaded area ABCD bounded between the curve AB and the volume axis V1 to V2. That means from V1 to V2 and from A to B, you have to consider the whole area for W reversible. That is W reversible is equal to minus the between the integral limit V1 to V2 PdV is equal to, no need to integrate, which is equal to ABCD, that is the rectangular area which we discussed. Now similarly, in an irreversible process, the initial pressure P1 of the gas dropped instantaneously to the final pressure P2. That is, this is an irreversible work. In the irreversible process, the P1 is dropped to P2. Therefore, we are considering at volume at P2. This is draw a rectangle like this. I extend the axis to the pressure and then find out the value like this. That is, P1 of the gas dropped instantaneously to the final pressure P2. In such a case, W irreversible is equal to minus P2 integral limit V1 to V2, which is into dV, will be equal to the value minus P2 into V2 minus V1, but that value will be equal to the reversible work is equal to the shaded area A dash B C D. This is the area. This is the area A dash B C D. Compare this. This is small and this is the bigger one. That is, difference between irreversible and reversible work done graphical representation.